Good morning, everybody. Welcome to another truck update video. It's a beautiful day here. Let me show you what's going on. So a lot of progress has been made since the last video. Obviously I've got the bed deck in. Why are we zoomed in? There we go. Obviously I got the bed deck in. We've got our 12-volt refrigerator in, pretty much where it's going to go, leaving the empty space for the kitchen right here. Underneath is going to be the water tanks and plumbing, electrical routing, and things like that. So that space is still under construction. You've got the commode here. Behind the commode is what I'm going to call the garage. So all of my snow chains, rain gear, tools, things like that to work on the truck are going to go in that space right there. This is the beginning of the bed deck, so I've already started on that. This is solid, mounted, ready to go. I'll come around this way, show you the progress on the inside here. So this part is Angela's closet on this side. That is the monoblock amplifier for the subwoofer for the car stereo that's going to be underneath her seat. The passenger seat's removed right now. I've still got to build a console in the front for the cat to sit on. I've scratched the idea of putting a subwoofer in there, and the subwoofer is actually going to be going in my closet now because it was way too big to go in the console. So the amplifier is installed and ready to go, even though it doesn't look like it. These are actually just phone cables and extra wires and stuff, so it looks kind of messy, but it is installed and ready to go here. Come around this way and show you. So yeah, here we move my phone cables. There we go. That's a better view of it. So that's underneath her seat. I've got all the cables routed for the subwoofer control, the dash camera power and things like that. I did go ahead and run a dash camera with a rear camera all the way through the truck, so that way it's recording. It'll also act as our security camera. This is the umbilical for the car stereo. The RCA's run to the amplifier. I've got speaker wire that goes to the front speakers. Up here I've got power and everything ready to go. So once the stereo gets here, I just got to mount that to the ceiling. Let's see, we'll look down this way here. This is the kitty cat litter box. So I've cut the wood out here, you can see, so that the seats will still lean back. The bed is going to end right about here, so like when the seats are back, you know, it's going to kind of squish the mattress a little bit, but if you want room, we're going to be able to move the seats forward and all that kind of stuff. But he'll have his bathroom right here. There's a little bit of storage space behind his bathroom for his food and his litter, which we use. It's basically sawdust for his litter, so it doesn't stink and it absorbs everything. It's really cool stuff. There'll be a divider between his litter box and the electrical system here, but I've got most of the electrical in. We've got a 12-volt 100 amp hour lithium ion battery being charged off the truck from a 60 amp DC to DC charger coming straight off the battery. I've got from the battery, it's going into these bus bars that distribute the ground and the power throughout the truck. So this is where I'm going to tie in all of our power for our laptops, our vent fans, the water pump, lighting, like basically anything that the truck's going to use when the engine is off is going to run off of this battery. So I've got a clear channel to get my power to the back to my plumbing and kitchen area. We've got a channel up here that's going to run up to a charging station for laptops, phones, cup holders, things like that at the front. It's also going to power the rear windows, so those will go up and down off of this battery. So progress is being made. Just wanted to kind of show everybody where I'm at, and hopefully the next video I should be done. I've only got 3 pieces of wood to cut for the bed deck left. I've got this piece in the middle, which is going to give us access to my electrical, and then I've got to make 2 doors on either side that access the closets, and then the bed is done. and most of the cutting with saws and things like that is going to be finished, and the rest of it's just going to be simple plug and play and install. So thank you guys for joining me, and hope you have a good weekend, and as soon as we hit the road, you guys will be the first to know. See ya.